Have you guys ever wanted to make floppy dog ears in VRoid for your dog character? Well, I'm about to show you how. So the first thing you want to do is add a freehand group, turn on mirror, adjust your net out to the size and a shape of said dog ears. You want to pull this part in all the way down, and then with your brush, we'll just use a white so that you can see. And what you'll want to do is come down here and pull these up a bit. We'll adjust it more afterwards. But just where the ears are located, you want to come down and do that. And then from there, you're just going to edit it. Pull these in. It's similar to how you do pigtails. But you'll want to thicken it in both directions. Pull this out. And then to change the shape, you just adjust this part. So depending on how thick you want it, say you want normal droopy style floppy ears, you'll just do it like this. And then to get the inside texture, you'll just want to edit it like this. Let's say you want a nice blue ear to go with your blue hair. So the first, obviously, if you want a better version of this, you can edit it in an actual art program. Export the texture, edit it in an art program, and then import it back in. But for the sake of explanation, we'll just do this. And then for the inside, let's say you wanted a slightly darker blue. And you just fill in this side. And actually make sure that that's doing that. You just want to adjust the offset to make sure that the inside of the ear is inside. And do the exact same thing on the other side. You want to give each individual hair their own bone. And there you go. You have floppy dog ears. Obviously, if you want them a little bit floppier, and there you have it. Floppy dog ears.